Try this 100 squat challenge to build a round butt and tone legs fast. Squats primarily targets the lower body but also engage the core muscles including the abs for stability and balance. For best results, perform this routine 3 to 4 times a week combined with a healthy diet to strengthen your core and tone your legs and glutes. So let's get ready for squat 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Take a rest for 30 seconds. So let's get ready for squat 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You have successfully completed the exercise. Do this workout every day and you will surely see the results in no time. Stay tuned with Health App and see you tomorrow.